Be the envy of your friends in this 2009 Holden Cruise.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission.
Optimise your fuel economy with this vehicle.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control.
Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.